I'm in Christiansburg, Virginia, Meld Manufacturing, seeing metal 3D printing without melting. So Meld has a distinctive, unique approach to metal additive. The process uses friction stir welding to apply metal layer by layer. The metal is deformed, but it doesn't melt. The result is fully dense, solid metal parts, properties approaching wrought material, and there are some advantages. Because there is no melting, because the material does not become liquid and solidify again, there aren't residual stresses. 3D printing can be applied to a thin substrate that will stay flat. This is a metal 3D printing process for materials that don't lend themselves to welding. This is 6061 aluminum. The process could be done with 7075 aluminum. Material handling is easy. The raw material is these square cross-section bars. The process right now is it's running at the rate of about 1 2-foot long bar per minute. The bars are queued up in a magazine and load into the spindle that applies the pressure one by one by one. Another advantage of the platform, this is a CNC machine tool. It is a machine that manufacturers recognize, know how to program using the same G-code other machine tools do. And because it's a machine tool, this process could be done for very big parts. Just need a very big machine tool to apply it. And because the process applies metal in an open environment, this is also a process for repair. Existing parts could be fixtured into the machine, and Meld's process could be used to 3D print just the feature that's needed for repair.